simple future with be going to. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. The simple future is a verb tense. We use the simple future tense for actions that will happen at a future time. There are three ways to express the simple future tense in English. We use will and a base verb to decide on a future action at that moment. For example, I will do my homework tomorrow. We use be going to and a base verb to talk about existing future plans. For example, I'm going to clean my house next weekend. We also use be and an ing verb to talk about existing future plans. For example, I am taking my dog for a walk after class. The simple future with be going to is very common, especially in spoken English. It is followed by a base verb. The be verb changes forms depending on the subject. I am going to buy a new car next year. She is going to take her dog to the vet in 3 days. The students are going to graduate 2 weeks from now. A contraction is a shorter form of a word. When we use be going to, we can contract the be verb. The contraction for am is m. The contraction for are is er. The contraction for is z. We can contract the be verb with subject pronouns. We sometimes contract the be verb with singular subject nouns, but not with plural nouns. He's going to take piano lessons next month. We're going to order pizza for dinner. The student's going to watch TV tonight. Look at the picture and say or write a simple future sentence with be going to. Use the contracted form. For example, you're going to graduate in 3 days. Now you try.